So hello everyone, my name is Sagar Gaud. So I am a trainer at Quality Thought. I have around 7+ years of experience in MERN stack plus main stack. So I have worked with product based companies and even I have worked with service based companies. So right now I am a trainer at Quality Thought. So today I just wanted to explain few things about the MERN stack. Exactly what is MERN stack? Basically, a MERN stack is a collection of technologies using which we are going to develop a web application. These days, there are a lot of technologies in the market using which we can develop a web application. In that, one of the famous technology or one famous stack is MERN stack. These days, if you compare MERN stack with some other stacks like Java full stack or .NET full stack or maybe Python full stack, you have lot of demand for MERN stack. The reason is JavaScript language. Why MERN stack has more demand compared to other stacks? The important reason or the most important reason is your JavaScript language. Now, exactly why JavaScript language? Basically, if you learn any other stack, there you have to learn multiple languages. Not only JavaScript, you have to learn Java, you have to learn Python, maybe you have to learn SQL also. So let me try to explain with one example. Let's assume that you are going for Java full stack. Now in Java full stack, you have to learn front end, you have to learn back end, you have to learn database as well. When it comes to front end, you have to learn JavaScript language. When it comes to back end, you have to learn Java language. When it comes to database, there you have to learn SQL language. Means you have to learn 3 different languages. But if you come with MERN stack, in MERN stack, we are going to use only one language, that is JavaScript, in front end also, in back end also, in database also. So the person who knows one language with a perfection, he will be the best resource for the company. And we know that we cannot be perfect with all 3 languages. So there will be a person who will be perfect with only one language. Remaining 2 languages, he might not be perfect. This is what the reason why companies are looking for a developer who knows only one language and he can build multiple applications like front end, back end and database. This is where your MERN stack comes into picture. So if I try to explain what is MERN. In MERN, M stands for MongoDB, E stands for Express.js, R stands for React.js and N stands for Node.js. And to work with all these technologies, you required a language called JavaScript. And if you compare, like if you go to LinkedIn or if you go for Naukris, you will find lot of jobs for the MERN stack. And that is the reason in our India or maybe out of India, lot of platforms like edtech platforms or institute, they prefer MERN stack training. Now why they are preferring MERN stack training? Because that demand we have in the market. Okay, and one more important thing about the MERN stack. So if you go with a different stack, in that what happens, people don't teach the front end part in very depth. They always focus only on the back end part. So they teach very basic concepts of front end, especially when it comes to React.js or maybe AngularJS or maybe Angular. They just teach very basic things, but that is not the case in our MERN stack. In MERN stack, we focus completely on the front end with complete depth, and in the same way in the back end also we are going to learn Node.js in very depth so that we can develop a proper back end application and a front end application. Same with the database also. When it comes to database, here we are going to learn MongoDB database, which is very popular these days in the market, especially the people who are working with the field of data, like the people who are working in big data or data analyst or maybe data science. All those people prefer MongoDB as a database. Now why MongoDB is very famous? Because of its non-SQL structure. So the structure of the data is not defined in your MongoDB, and these days we are going to face a lot of unstructured data. That is the reason MongoDB is more preferred compared to your databases which are related to structures like Oracle, MySQL and maybe SQL Server. So guys, if you are planning to learn MERN stack, then the best platform where you are going to get lot of knowledge is Quality Thoughts. So you guys can just contact on the given numbers you can see on the screens. You can just contact for the complete MERN stack details.